Good morning, everybody. We will solve some other integration problems. Next problem is evaluate sin x plus cos x. Integration of sin x plus cos x divided by 1 plus square root of 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. Now yesterday I told you already 1 can be written as sin square plus theta plus cos square theta or sin square x plus cos square x. That is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, and this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Substitute these formulas here. Instead of 1 sin square x plus cos square x, instead of sin 2x 2 sin x cos x. So integral will change. Sin x plus cos x sin x plus cos x divided by in denominator under square root 1 sin square 1 can be written as under square root sin square x cos square x, and this sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta 2 sin x cos x dx. Now this can be written as a plus b whole square, that is sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin x plus cos x whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square, this is a and this is b. Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x cos x. So this term, it is our this can be substituted as this sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x can be substituted as sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin x plus cos square whole square. So next up, under integral, numerator is sin x cos x, numerator is sin x plus cos x divided by under square root, this is sin x plus cos x whole square. This and this cancel, square and square root and both cancels. What will remain? Numerator of course dx, numerator sin x plus cos x divided by denominator also sin x plus cos x. So both will get cancelled. Both will get cancelled. So this is integration of nothing means 1 dx. Nothing means 1 dx. So we know what is the integration of 1 is x plus c. Integration of 1 is x plus c. So here you should remember these formulas. 1 can be written as sin square plus cos square x, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. You should remember that formula. After substituting the formula and root and square root cancels, numerator and denominator become equal. You can cancel. 1 integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Evaluate integration of 1 minus 1 by 1 minus sin x. Evaluate integration of dx by 1 minus sin x. So I did yesterday one formula like this, one problem like this. You do this problem as homework. This is homework for you. Homework, HW. Homework. What is the procedure? You take conjugate of this. 1 plus 1 minus sin x is 1 plus cos x. Numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the conjugate, that is 1 plus sin x. 1 plus multiply with 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. And denominator will be a plus b whole square. A minus b, it is a minus b. A plus b, it is a square minus b square. And 1 minus sin square is cos square. Take 1 by cos square, that is secant square. 1 by cos square is secant square. And 1 by another here. Sin by cos is tan x and 1 by cos is secant x. So our answer is for this question is, answer for this is tan x plus secant x plus c. The answer for this question. One second, integrate 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. This is also homework. HW. Answer for this is x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x plus c. So these are two homework problems. You can do it. This is by doing taking conjugate and simple algebraic expression. You know the x to the power of n formula. X to the power of n formula, you apply that, you will get the answer. Second one, evaluate integration of 1 minus cos 2x. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x. So here simple, 1 minus cos, it is very simple problem. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as, formula it is 1 minus cos 2x can be written as cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 1 minus sin square x, 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos square is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. These are two formulas you should remember. We are applying this formula here. So this is under square root 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x into dx. Now this is square root 2 square root of sin square x. Integration sin dx. Now this square and this cancels. So what will remain? Root 2 you take outside the integral. Integration sin x remains 1. Integration of sin x dx, that is root 2 minus, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c, or then multiply, keep minus outside this, root 2 cos x plus c. We'll take next problem. Evaluate integration of 1 minus cos x cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. This is third problem. Leaving the homework, this is third problem. So I just told formulas of this two. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x divided by 1 plus cos square is 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x dx. So 2 get cancels. 2 get cancels. Get sin square by cos square. Another small formula, that is sin x by cos x is tan x. Sin x by cos x is equals to tan x. Tan x. And 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x. Secant square x. If you solve for tan, this 1 will go this side. Tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. Sin square x by sin x by cos x tan x. Sin square x by cos square x is equals to tan square x. Sin square x by cos square x is equals to tan square x. So this is integration of sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. Integration of tan square can be written as secant square minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Apply integration to each term. Integration symbol to each term. Integration of secant square x minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of secant square x dx. Integration of 1 dx. So we know according to trigonometric the integration formula, integration of secant square is tan x. Tan x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. C is constant of integration. So here in this problem we have used the formula 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sin square x, and another formula 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Just basic formula, that is sin square by cos square is tan square x. Tan square x. And tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Secant square x integration we know, that is tan x, and integration of 1 dx is x plus c. This is how we completed the problem. Take next problem. Integration of cos square x divided by 1 minus sin x dx. 1 minus sin x dx. So we know one identity, trigonometric identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. We used yesterday and today on solving problems. Now we need cos square from this. We need cos square from this, that is cos square x is equals to this sin square will come this side. If it is plus means it becomes negative minus. That is 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square. Cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square x from this identity, using this identity. Use this formula here. Cos square is equals to 1 minus sin square x. Use here. Integration of cos square is 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus 1 minus sin x. Now again 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x. So it is in the form of, here you take it as 1 square is equals to 1. So you can make it as 1 square. 1 square minus sin square, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Algebraic formula, identity formula. Here a is equals to 1 and b is equals to sin x. So it becomes 1 plus sin x, a plus b, 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Use this here, numerator. Use this here. Integration of 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Dx. Now 1 minus sin x will cancel. 1 minus will cancel. 1 minus sin x cancels in numerator and denominator. What will remain? Integration of 1 plus sin x dx will remain. Now split the terms. Apply integration symbol to each term. That is integration of 1 dx plus integration of sin x dx. Integration of 1 is x. X plus integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Minus cos x plus c. Minus into plus minus x minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Here what we made changes to this numerator, we have written cos square as 1 minus sin square x. Cos square as this cos square as we have written as 1 minus sin square, and again 1 minus sin square can be written as a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus sin x, 1 minus cos x. We have used that terms. Then denominator 1 minus sin x will cancel with the numerator 1 minus sin x. 1 plus sin x will remain. Apply integration to each terms and integrate. That is, we know integration of 1 is x, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Simplifying x minus minus into plus minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Take another problem. Integration of sin x plus cos x whole square divided by root of 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. Solution. Integration of sin x plus cos x whole square divided by, this can be written as a, I already told in previous problem, this is one can be written as sin square x plus cos square x, and this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. I already explained that in last previous problem. Sin x plus cos x whole square divided by square root of sin x plus cos x whole square. This square and this cancels. So what will remain? Sin x plus cos x whole square sin x plus cos x divided by sin x plus cos. Cancel one time. One time it will cancel, one time remains. Integration of sin x plus cos x dx. Now split the terms. Integration of sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is plus sin x plus c. If you are not seeing clearly, I will write answer here. So last step is minus cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the answer for me. The answer for this question. I hope you are understood. You do the two homework problems which I have given you. We will continue in next class. Bye.